Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best car radio antenna is probably one of the most overlooked components in your car, yet it's essential for enjoying your favorite radio stations, getting traffic updates, and staying connected on the road. Today, we're diving deep into the world of car radio antennas, exploring different types, and helping you choose the perfect one to ensure crystal clear reception and a seamless listening experience. Get ready to upgrade your ride. Number 5. Votex Black 634-inch Universal Antenna Kit. This antenna fits a wide range of vehicles, from classic models to the latest releases. It's designed to work with many popular cars, trucks, and SUVs. You can easily check if it fits your vehicle. Inside, there's a German-engineered copper coil that boosts signal reception. This feature helps to ensure you get clear and stable radio connectivity, no matter where you are. Made with stainless steel and premium rubber, this antenna is built to last. It's designed to resist bending and breaking, even in tough conditions like car washes. Plus, it comes with a 2-year replacement guarantee if it breaks in a car wash. You can upgrade your vehicle in minutes with this screw-on antenna. No tools are needed, making the installation quick and simple. It's an easy way to improve both the look and function of your car. This antenna is brought to you by a team in the USA, with attention to detail. It offers top-tier quality and performance for your vehicle, setting new standards in the antenna market. Assembled by a USA-based family-owned business with over 20 years of experience, this antenna is solely manufactured by us. You can trust in its quality and performance. What we like. This antenna boasts a German-engineered copper coil for superior signal reception, ensuring clear radio connectivity. Its durable design, featuring stainless steel threading and EPDM rubber, withstands harsh conditions. If you are looking for a reliable antenna that's easy to install and built to last, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to give you the best performance, no matter where you go. What people say. Exact fit for 23 Indian Roadmaster. Lots of different applications hardware available. Quick install looks good. Great replacement antenna, very solid reception. Functionality of antenna and performance are simply amazing. Easy to install if your original screw base is intact. It comes with plenty of thread adapters to fit different manufacturers' bases. Reception seems good also. Number 4. Herdio Marine Radio Antenna, waterproof and flexible. Introducing the Herdio Marine Antenna. This antenna is designed for marine environments, ensuring you stay connected. Experience excellent performance with a range of up to 10 miles. It ensures clear reception for all your marine band and car radio frequencies. The flexible mast and 180-degree swivel base provide maximum mobility. This allows it to adjust to the best position for optimal signal strength. Installation is easy with the international standard 3.0 mm connector. You can mount it in the most convenient location. Built to withstand the marine environment, it is corrosion resistant. This ensures its durability and longevity. The package includes the mast and cable. It's everything you need to get started. What we like. This marine antenna is waterproof and corrosion resistant, perfect for boats and marine environments. The flexible mast and swivel base allow for optimal positioning. If you have a boat or ATV and need a reliable antenna that can withstand the elements, this is the one. It's built to last and provide excellent performance in any marine setting. What people say. Works great, would buy again, made very well. Use on the golf cart and picks up stations great. This antenna was a replacement for the factory one, better quality and easy fix, no issues. Number 3. Eightwood Car Stereo FM Radio Antenna. Tired of static? This Eightwood antenna is designed to boost your AM/FM radio signal. It helps you receive crystal clear audio while you drive. This hidden windshield antenna provides a clean look. It's easy to install and won't clutter your car's interior. With a DIN plug and included adapter, it fits most car stereo receivers. This makes it a versatile solution for various vehicles. Simply remove the adhesive tape and stick the antenna on your windshield or window. The process is quick and straightforward. It operates on FM 80 MHz to 108 MHz and AM 520 kHz, 1710 kHz frequencies with a 3x gain. The included extension cable is 9.8 feet long, giving you flexibility. The package includes one FM antenna and a DAN to ISO adapter. Everything you need to upgrade your car's radio reception is here. What we like. This antenna features a hidden design that sticks to your windshield, keeping it out of sight. It comes with an adapter for easy installation and is compatible with most car stereo receivers. If you like a clean look and want an antenna that's easy to install, this is a great option. It's designed to blend seamlessly with your car while improving your radio reception. What people say. The antenna is easy to install. The antenna works great and receives a lot of stations. The antenna has a good design. Number 2. Eightwood 16-inch car antenna replacement. Tired of weak radio signals? This is a replacement mass designed for roof-mounted antennas. It comes with everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade. Please note, this antenna is only for roof-mounted bases. It will not fit hood, fender, or shark fin antennas. Make sure this is the right fit for your car. The package includes 3 screw adapters to fit most roof-mounted bases. Replacing your old antenna is simple and can significantly improve your radio experience. At 16 inches long and made with a quality internal copper coil, it is designed to enhance signal reception. You'll be able to enjoy clearer stations with this antenna. Installation is a breeze. Just unscrew your old antenna, select the correct adapter, and screw this new one onto your existing base. It's that simple. The external rubber construction makes it durable and flexible. It can bend without breaking, ensuring it withstands various conditions. You'll receive one car radio antenna and 3 threaded adapters, M4, M5, and M6. Get ready to enjoy better radio reception with this easy-to-install antenna. What we like. This antenna is specifically designed for roof-mounted bases and comes with adapters for easy installation. The flexible rubber mast ensures it won't break easily. If you have a roof-mounted antenna and want to improve your radio reception, this is the perfect replacement. It's a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in your listening experience. What people say. The Focus antenna base has a threaded stud, so I didn't need the supplied studs. I'm happy to report that it does. This antenna is a little concaved and fortunately the stud on my car was long enough to thread into the antenna. The rubber also compressed nicely around the edges as it tightens, making a good tight seal. Installation was very easy. As far as functionality, it works well. I'm able to pick up a ton of channels up here in the mountains where I live. Screwed right and didn't need an adapter for my truck. No issues with signal either. This part did the trick and I have good reception. Very compatible and easy to install. Well built and mounted with stable fit, no shaking allows for great sound. Number 1. Bingfu Universal Car Stereo Antenna for Vehicle. Tired of weak radio signals? This antenna is the perfect solution. It enhances your listening experience with improved FM and AM reception. The adhesive mount allows for discreet placement on your windshield or window. Installation is simple and won't clutter your car's interior. This antenna works with various car stereo receivers. It is compatible with brands like Sony, Pioneer, and Alpine, ensuring broad usability. It operates on FM and AM frequencies, providing clear audio. The 3-meter cable offers flexible placement options within your vehicle. The package includes everything you need for installation. Get ready to enjoy your favorite stations with enhanced clarity. What we like. This antenna offers a hidden, adhesive mount design, perfect for a clean look. It's compatible with a wide range of car stereo receivers. If you are looking for a discreet antenna that's easy to install and works with your existing stereo, this is the ideal choice. It's designed to provide excellent performance without being obtrusive. What people say. This one was small, has plenty of cord length, can be adhered to, almost, anything, and small. The FM frequency changer works well and it's doing its job. The antenna is doing its job. It brings in the channels. The channels are clear. Installation was a snap. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.